Hey, Darren Campbell with Confident Home Solutions, a licensed general contractor, builder, remodeler in North Carolina. We've got the Clam clamp here. We actually got 4 of them. We bought these about 6-8 months ago, and believe it or not, this is the first time that we've gotten to use them. So, we'll put some frames together. All right. Actually, we already put quite a few together yesterday, so we only got 2 more to do, and we're using CA glue. It's working pretty good. So you got to be pretty quick, and we've already glued our hands together 3 or 4 times. So, all right, one thing that we've already found out works pretty good is to set the clamp. So we actually run this clamp in before we glue it. Now, I saw another fella inside carpentry. He actually was hitting his with a rubber mallet. That actually looks like a pretty good idea. And actually, that's where I found out about these. Do it. So one thing I'll say, we've already got a comment from the homeowner that they've noticed how tight these miters were. So that's impressive that they've already noticed. It doesn't hurt that the homeowner's father was a builder, so she knows what to look at. Oh, yep, you probably should. Hold on. Hold on. Yeah, run it. Okay, that'll work. Do it. Go, go. So, one thing that just happened right there, we actually initially were off. It was too high on this end, but by us putting the clamp in previous, did you see that? It just pulled it right back in line.
I mean, the song is going to be basically the same, right? What? What's that?
Sonny will be better in all ways, I hear.
Yeah, keep that.
Keep that, whatever. You know I'm not keeping that. Give him the heart. With the sun.
On top. Okay.
Ready?
Do it. So, how this works, it has a cam action. When you make it to there is the highest portion of the cam. If you keep going, just cams over. These things seem to be made pretty well. We had the discussion on driving home last night of whether or not we thought these were expensive or not. He doesn't believe they are. I can't really remember what we paid for it. You know, when I don't want to mention the price. I think I'm pretty close to what we paid. Go. But he had never heard the actual price on it. And when I mentioned it to him, he's like, that's not expensive. You know, he said, for the amount of time that you're saving and how precise your joints are. I brought up to him that just the fact of the legwork, you know, being able to cut these once or out here, taking it in. Okay, so let's take a look at these miters. All right. We're about ready to pop these off. It doesn't get much better than that, does it?
Nope.
So, all right. We'll show you us throwing it up. Well, Harley's gonna finish nailing that up, but those are some nice miters. Yeah, pretty impressed with that. Oh, a little bit of rain out there. So, you know, after a hard day of work and you're like, I didn't get much accomplished. And then you see this.